Let's face it, it's almost impossible to earn enough money by only teaching at yoga studios. According to Payscale, the average salary of a yoga instructor is only about $35,000 per year. Fortunately, there's a lot of ways to supplement your income, and here's 10 of them. Successful yoga teachers almost always have multiple streams of income. Now listen to these 10 ideas and start thinking about the ones that interest you. Number 1. Create your own website. There's about 100,000 registered yoga teachers in the US only, and only a small fraction of them have their own websites. It's the fastest, most cost-effective way to differentiate yourself and start attracting new students. It will also allow you many other income opportunities shown in this video. Number 2. Teach at nearby schools. Some universities and colleges will hire yoga teachers to offer classes to their students. Usually the school will pick up the tab to make the classes free for the students. Try contacting the student services or the rec center to inquire about job opportunities. Number 3. Corporate group yoga classes. It's becoming quite common for companies to offer yoga as a perk to their employees. Ask your local network to find out which companies would be interested. Most successful teachers in this space charge a flat fee per classes, no matter how many people show up. Number 4. Freelance writing for yoga publications. If you're good at writing, you can make between $50 to $200 per published article. Just outreach to major yoga publications to see if they're currently looking for freelance writers. Number 5. Pop-up style yoga studio. Launching a full-on yoga studio is hard work and very expensive. A pop-up studio is a great way to create the community feel of a studio without the upfront investment. You can start in a park with a few students and see how it goes. Number 6. Offer private yoga lessons. Private yoga lessons are a great way to increase your income while helping your students change their lives. Privates require a bigger time investment than group classes. Keep the pricing structure simple and don't undercharge. Privates typically range from $60 to $200 an hour. Number 7. Sell classes through your website. Do you like being on camera? Well, maybe it's time to record a few classes and offer them through your website. You can offer pre-recorded or live classes. If done well, students are likely to come back, offering a stable revenue stream for you. Number 8. Run a retreat. Once you've gathered a decent following, offering a retreat is a great income opportunity. It also allows you to meet new students face-to-face. You can start small by creating an offer within a few hours distance from your city. Get creative with the location: ski lodge, in nature, on the lake, on a river. Number 9. Become the manager at your local studio. Are you super organized and like working with people? Consider managing your favorite studio. Not only will you increase your total income and have more steady hours, but you will also understand the inner workings of owning a studio. Number 10. Post sponsored content on your website and social medias. Once your online following starts to grow, consider partnering with yoga brands, ideally product brands. They will pay you for mentioning them on your website and social media platforms. I hope this video will give you a few ideas to supplement your income. For now, just pick one and start working on it. Lastly, if you need help to create a website for your yoga business, click the link below to get access to a free online training on how to do so. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel for other videos to help you earn more as a yoga teacher. Thanks again and see you next time.